What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It is mail call. So we have one here from my buddy Scott over at Low 96 HB. I don't know what to expect inside of this because I wasn't expecting him to send me anything, and it's actually been sitting in my living room for the past couple days because I've just been behind on videos. That's why the mail call of this Maverick was after the races you saw, so it was actually pre-recorded before the races. I just never got to editing it because it was a very long video, but I'm glad you guys are enjoying the mail call, and I really do hope you enjoyed the very first race day. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the box and see what Scott sent. All right, guys, let us see what we got. Ooh, nice. We got a couple castings in here. Oh, nice, man. We got the BMW M3 Gt2 Zamac. Check this out, guys. Number 12 of this year's release. Now, I do have two of these, so this is definitely going to be a contender for the track. Absolutely love the Zamacs, guys. You got the red chrome Y5s all the way around, blue tinted glass, and you do have the red, blue, and light blue M3 striping right there. Definitely do like that. Nice. All right, next up. Oh yeah, baby, check this out. The 2005 Ford Mustang from the Hot Wheels digital circuit. This was like the very first release of this car in the very nice Sonic blue. You got the matte black and orange striping. Of course, you do have the gold 5 spokes in the back, orange tinted glass, and the gray MC5s out front. Now, I do have this one. It's a very, very cool casting, but I don't have a second one, and this is awesome because I can open this one up and actually have it on the track as well. So check that out, guys. Nice. So I actually do have every variation of this, including the Super, so I was actually stoked to finally catch this one in the cubby hole. So nice, man. Absolutely love that. All right, so last but definitely not least, ooh, it looks like we have a Greenlight maybe. Oh my god, guys, check this out. Look how beautiful that is. The 2019 Shelby Gt350, and look at that red, guys. Now that is beautiful because it's the exact color of my Mustang, but look at the detail. That's the one thing I do really like about Greenlight, is the detail is just hands down beautiful. I wasn't a fan of them at first, but man, they can make a beautiful Mustang. Check that out, guys. You have the really nice headlight and fog light detail. The wheels and tire detail just looks so good. Very realistic. You have the tail light detail, the deck lid, the quad exhaust tips that are actually painted. Look at this. Now, it does have the black stripe with the white pinstripe outline, but this is a beautiful casting. Look at that. Greenlight Muscle Series 24 limited edition. Check that out. You also have the 69 Yanko. Ooh, that's a good one. 70 Dodge Challenger, the 79 Mustang Cobra. Ooh. 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat, the 19 Gt350, and the 2021 Mach 1. God, I gotta find that one. But I also got to go to Hobby Lobby a little bit more. But so there we have it, guys. Scott, thank you so much for sending me these castings. You definitely didn't have to, but I greatly appreciate you, especially with the Gt350. And I'm actually just excited to open this one up and race with it as well. So following these 3 awesome casts sent in by Scott, we also have another package. Check this out, guys. Now, this is from Sammy, such a great guy. Now, if you guys don't know, fun fact, he was the one who named Horsepower Speedway. So a huge shout out to my buddy Sammy. He sent some awesome castings in the past, some Civics, some GTOs, some Turtle Van Bus in red, white, and blue. Awesome guy, great supporter and friend. His grandson actually sent in a custom as well. Plus, Sammy sent in a car that he thinks is going to do very well against the 84 SVO. So we're going to go ahead and get this package open and see what we got. All right, guys, first up, Here we go. We got the Cybertruck. Nice. Can absolutely use more of these. Now, I do want to do a post-apocalyptic version of this because I've seen so many people do it. But man, such a cool truck. I know it's highly overrated right now, but it's just a cool casting. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know if it's just the raw metal look of it or it's just something new as far as Tesla goes. I don't know. It's just super cool. So awesome. Next up, we have the, ooh, nice choice. 67 Camaro in the Worldwide Deco in the nice brown metallic. Small era car, thought you may want it. Nice. This one is my favorite color variation. I wasn't too big a fan of the white. I think the colors just looked a little odd on there. But this one and the Dollar General exclusive is very nice. Check that out. Sweet. All right, so here we go. We got from Kevin Jackson. Hope you like it. Thank you for your service for all of US. Absolutely my pleasure, buddy. We'll go ahead and set that off real quick. All right, here we go. Ooh, check that out. All right, guys, finally have it open. Check this out. Beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo out of the Matchbox series. Now, I do have this. I've never opened it, but check that out, guys. Look at those wheels. That color looks so good, too. The nice slate gray with the orange deco, the number 2. Does have the opening doors, which is a very nice touch. Check that out. And look at the whale tail on this beauty. Nice. I love the real riders that are on here. I love the deco of it. I do have all 3 color variations in the bluish purple and red, as well as this one, but I do not have it loose. So there we go. Nice, man. I love it. All right, we got a couple castings in here, guys. Check it out. All right, so that's everything in there. We'll set that off to the side. Racer number 1. All right, let's see what he got. All right, guys, what do we have right here? Ooh, here we go. We got a custom. I think this is the Impavado. Impavito, there we go. Look at that. Got the aero discs all the way around. I love the red and black theme. Got the interior detail. Check that out, guys. Look at that. Nice. I bet this would do really good on the track. So we'll go ahead and set this off because that is race contender number 1. Ooh, here we go. We got the Captain America fantasy car, but check this out. Such a huge big body. Very similar to like a big body Challenger or Charger. Check that out. It's called, doesn't have a name to it, but I love the color. Of course, you do have the Captain America shield on the hood. And then I like how the windshield is his mask. That's kind of cool. But nice blue metallic saddle detail. I don't know if you did that yourself, but check that out. Nice. Got the chrome 5 spokes all the way around. I bet this would be a really nice contender. Look at that. All right, here we go. It says Jockey Sammy C's Racer. Sports 5-pack, I believe it is. And this one is Night Shifter. That's what it is. Check that out. You blacked out the windows. I love the silver metallic. You got the football, the Hot Wheels sports deco, the chrome PR5s all the way around. Look at that detail. Now he hand painted those wheels and it looks really good. Look at the taillight detail. Man, that is nice. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Look at that. The stock car with the Air Force deco. You got the stars on it. Oh man, you got the PJs jumping out with their parachutes. Look at that. Got the Air Force. You got the OH5s all the way around. Check out that casting detail. Very nice. One of my favorite colors is this gray. Very similar to, well, it's a darker shade of this Porsche. But he sent in a GT500 in a similar gray, and I just absolutely love that. Check that out. Nice, man. Super sweet custom right there. Got to represent the Air Force in the Pro Stock NASCAR. Check that out, guys. Absolutely nice. Definitely do appreciate this one. Look at this, guys. A quick recap. We got the Porsche 911 Turbo out of the Matchbox with the opening doors. Beautiful casting. I'm glad it's actually loose now. I can appreciate it outside of the blister, but there's that one. Also this beautiful Air Force Tribute NASCAR. Check that out, guys. Now I know a lot of time and effort goes into doing customs, so I definitely appreciate you. Thank you so much for sending this. That is awesome, especially with the Air Force deco. That hits home. Check this out, guys. We got the #1 racer, the Impavito, in black and red deco. Kind of like how you did the red aero discs right there. Then we got the Captain America fantasy character car in the nice metallic blue with the Captain America theme going on. This looks like it's going to be a fast car. Look at that. I love that wide body. Just looks pretty tough. And then of course you do have the night shifter right here. Check this out. Nice. God, that stance and that wide body just looks so good. And then of course you do have the Tesla Cybertruck. Maybe we'll do a truck series to see which truck with the off-road wheels is fast. Who knows? Maybe that'll be a separate class of its own, doing some off-road trucks, some Tesla trucks and all that. Last but definitely not least, guys, the 67 Worldwide Camaro. Love the color. Thank you so much for throwing that in there. So Sammy, huge thanks to you for sending in your cars to race on race day. I know you said to choose one, but I know that's your #1 racer, but I feel like this car is going to do really well under your name. And then of course, Kevin, thank you so much for sending the custom NASCAR with the Air Force deco. Absolutely love it. But that is all I got, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts of the stuff that was sent in, either this package or the one that Sammy sent. All amazing stuff. So yeah, that is all I got. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.